I want to switch and start talking to you about picking the right gear to fish these topwaters. The nice thing is I'm basically going to use the same stuff for all three of the topwater styles we talked about. The walking baits, the poppers, and the prop baits. I'm going to essentially use the same gear. So let's take a look at the rod, the reel, and the line type to really let you maximize fishing these topwater baits. You know, let's start with the rod. And for me on picking rod, one of the most important things to remember is what we're fishing here. We're fishing topwaters. And when you look at these baits, whether it's the walking style or the popper or even the prop bait, you're going to notice a couple of the same elements. One is that we are dealing with a treble hooked style lure. This is a bait that has 2 or 3 pairs of trebles on this lure. And because of that, because it's a treble hook lure, I want certain things in a rod. The other similarity is that no matter if it's a walking bait, a popper, or a prop bait, the way that we're going to fish it, one of the most important things we're going to do is something called cadence. And we're going to make twitches with our rod. And those twitches and that cadence or rhythm, because of that, you need a certain type of rod. In all of my topwater fishing, I'm using between a 6'4" and 7-foot length in my rod. And one of the primary reasons for a shorter rod in topwater fishing is to allow you to impart that cadence or that action on the bait. In a little bit when I tie these lures on, you're going to get to see it. But a lot of that movement, whether it's walking that stick bait or popping that popper or even chugging that prop bait around bluegill beds, the cadence or action of that is imparted with the rod. And because of that, I don't want a really long rod. You don't want to use the same rod you're using for flipping or fishing a giant swim bait or fishing a Carolina rig with a long leader. You don't want a long rod. You want a shorter length rod. So 6'4" to as long as 7 foot. The other thing to look out for on these rods is select a rod with a shorter butt section. If you look at this rod, and this is one of my favorite rods to fish a topwater, this happens to be an Abu Garcia Ike Series delay rod, and I designed this especially for topwaters and jerkbaits. And this rod is 6'4", but look how small the butt section is. It doesn't have an extremely long handle on the bottom. It has a shorter length of that part of the bottom of the rod. And once again, the reason for that shorter length is much of the action I'm imparting on this bait is happening right here. It's happening in front of me. If that rod were to have a really long handle, I'd have to work it out here. And it's not as smooth, and it doesn't let you give it that cadence and impart that action. So shorter rod, 6'4" to 7 foot, a shorter butt section, and now the most important thing I can tell you about selecting the right rod for topwater is the action of the rod. And it's real easy in looking at this action to talk about the bend of the rod. You know, every manufacturer specs their rod a little different. But in topwater fishing, you want more of a medium action rod. Stay away from the medium heavies and the heavy action rods and go for a medium action rod. if you look at this rod when I put a load on it, and I'm just grabbing the line on that rod tip, you're going to notice that about 30% of that rod, right? About from that 6th guide up, 7th guide up, is pretty soft. Look at that. It's pretty soft and parabolic. And the reason for that softer tip, that medium action when you're fishing a topwater, is it's really important. And here they go.
Welcome to Bass University TV, an online video training course where you'll learn champion bass fishing techniques from pro anglers Pete Glusek, Mike Iaconelli, and their talented special guests. From on the water to in the classroom, you'll learn sound techniques and strong fundamental bass fishing skills. Watch hours of video content on multiple topics at your own pace for a low monthly fee. Cancel at any time. Information is power in the sport of fishing, so learn from the very best. Subscribe to Bass University TV today.